Hi, I'm State Fire Marshal John Davin. Unsafe cooking is the #1 cause of fires and fire injuries in Massachusetts. Almost all of them can be prevented with a little extra caution in the kitchen. Follow these tips to prevent cooking fires. Keep it clean. Get in the habit of keeping your cooking area clear of anything that can burn. Clean up grease spills and keep groceries, food packaging, and other items well away from the stovetop. Stand by your pan. Unattended cooking is the leading cause of kitchen fires. Stay by the stove when you're boiling, broiling, or frying food. Set a timer if you're baking or roasting in the oven so you don't lose track of time. Put a lid on it. If you've got a fire on the stovetop, cover it with a lid or cookie sheet and turn off the heat. This will smother the flames. Never try to move a burning pan or douse it with water. This could spread the fire. For a fire inside the oven or microwave, keep the door closed and turn off the appliance. And if you can't put a fire out quickly, get to safety and call 911. Most cooking fire injuries take place when someone is trying to control a fire. Finally, if you're drowsy or impaired, order takeout. Falling asleep with food on the stove could lead to a serious fire, injuries, or worse. Remember, cooking safety starts with you. Pay attention to fire prevention.